This is a absolutely random video for a welding magnet. Basically, I kind of bought it on an impulse. I didn't even have a welder at that point. I wanted to use it for other work, but I bought a PARKSIDE welder, which will be linked in the description. So yeah, this is going to be put to use now. These are the dimensions. This is the capacity, 20 kilograms it can hold. So yeah, let's see. Keep away from pacemakers, magnetic strips, mobile phones, electronics and airplanes. Okay-ish, I guess. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, these are bigger than I expected. Plastic, so it's not directly the magnet itself. And the flux, magnetic flux is coming through the metal, so the metal itself will keep things in place. And obviously they can be rotated whatever you want and can be tightened more or less. So let's put them to the test. First attempt to use this was a fail. The pieces of metal that I was welding were too small, and this was too strong for me to properly be able to align them. Basically this was pulling them wherever it wanted to. So this is for bigger pieces of metal, honestly. I need to see when they will have smaller ones and maybe buy those. We'll see. Well. Started this video about 3 years ago, if not more, and I didn't use these things ever for welding. One time that I actually properly needed them for welding, I was welding stainless steel profiles, and they were non-magnetic. So imagine my surprise when this didn't stick to it. But yeah, I'm not going to drag this any longer. The idea is that you use the magnet. Let me search for some iron pieces to show you what's the plan with it. Welders for sure will tell us that this might not be a correct way to do it, but this is an option. So you basically make sure that two things are at 90 degrees 100%. There's no doubt about it. You just put a quick spot in here and then remove this, because if you hit it up too much it will demagnetize. And also this is rubberish, plasticish, so I'm not really sure how happy it will be to hit it up too much. But the idea is that at least you start the weld and then you have a proper angle. Yes, weld on both sides, because the weld it will pull it and bend it. A long story, but this is one way. Another way that I can see, something like this. Obviously you can tighten these things to make rotating as hard as you want. So you can make a particular angle. Yes, I just dropped it on that and it moved. And you spot weld it again, start the weld. Although at a distance like this I don't think they will hit up enough to demagnetize anything. But you can obviously adjust this. Really freaking hard to show you. Let me see, can I hold it with my foot? Yeah, I can hold it with my foot, and obviously you change the angle to whatever you need and it will keep it there so you can weld it. So there are many uses for this. I'm sure there are plenty of them that I don't even have an idea about now. But yeah, for me at least, I didn't seem to use these things. Although I did weld from time to time, I just didn't need them, and when I did, stainless steel once again. So yeah, that's about it for the video. Would I buy them again? Yeah, probably I would buy them again just to have them there in case. But up until now, did I show you any English? Here it is, in case I didn't show you. Anyway, that's about it. So hope this video helps you in any freaking weird way. Yes, you will probably use them less than you think, like I did. So yeah, and that's about it. See you in the next one. Bye.